shit. What's up, guys? I'm back home and I just had a fresh haircut, as y'all can see. So yeah, I'll be trying to change a car battery for the first time ever, and hopefully I don't fucked up. I better watch some tutorial video first and hopefully it helps. So I'll be searching how to change a car battery. Okay. Hopefully that's all I need to know, and I'll be starting by opening the wrapper of the battery. Let's go. So the car battery I bought is here. So I will attempt to change the car battery later. After work, I purposely drove all the way back home from work to carry this battery inside my house because I was scared that it would rain. Malacca's weather hasn't been that great and it's been on and off raining. It has like a layer or two of the bubble wrap. Fuck man, so damn heavy. Okay, it's much heavier than I expected. God damn. It's Vata Blue Dynamite. Not sure whether that makes any sense, but let's go. Next thing is to take the wrench set that I bought, and then we can start getting to work. Just before changing the battery, I would just like to show as proof that the car is in fact fried. Yep, so battery has not a single ounce of energy in that battery. This is how the battery is looking like. I have a Yokohama battery that has been here for almost 3 years, 2021. My wrench tool set here. So this is like an interchangeable wrench set, and I'll need a size 10. Okay, I can see what the fuck I'm doing. So firstly is to remove the negative bolt. Okay, I'm not too sure. Okay, let me guess. It's not this. Okay, fuck my life. I'm not too sure what. I just unscrew it all. Oh, okay. I should unscrew it more just now. Just pull it aside. It's out of the way. The positive screw. My apologies, footage got cut off because my battery died just now, and yeah, I managed to remove the L bracket. Here's the screw. The old battery is here. But that my friend told me that I can trade in the battery, although not every mechanic shop accepts trade in. And for the new battery to go in, let's go. So I'll put the camera back at the position. Welcome back. Oh, that's just the screw cap. I'll use it to screw the terminal of the old battery. Place the car battery back. push it as in towards the driver. Okay, positive, negative. Oh shit, my bad. Okay, my bad. I'll put the L bracket back first. Recently heard like a phrase to remember which direction to tighten the screw is righty tighty. So righty is actually clockwise, so to your right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure it's tight enough. Not quite yet. Let me tighten it up. Okay. And with the size 12. To put it back, we will need to screw in the positive first. Locked in. Okay, fine. Oh shit. Okay, that was a disaster. I think my car wasn't locked. So, back to the negative terminal. Oh shit, I forgot to put the sleeve back. Oh, fuck me, man. I don't think that the sleeve is that important, right? I'll just keep it until next time. The moment of truth. I'm sweating. God damn it! Oh. Charging system malfunction. What does that mean? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is everything good? Come on. Okay, the screen's up. It might be due to the car being dead for quite some time, and the parts need time for the electricity to flow through. I'll just keep it that way for a while I clean up. Be locked securely with the L bracket. C is to just cover up, and remember red is for positive and black is for negative. Yep, that's it. When the engine died just now, I thought that my car short circuit and I have to call the mechanic to come and tow my car, but seems that everything's fine, and now it's almost 6 o'clock. I will test drive the car a little bit and then bring it for a quick wash, maybe tomorrow. Closing it down. Thanks for joining me in my first ever car changing battery experience. I will remember this for the rest of my life, and I can use this in the future. Not to say that I will need to use it often, but when needed, I can change a car battery.